I wanted to make a video for so long time about the mighty sarong. Um, Quick one. So sarong, what is it? Why? And why should you maybe consider this? So when we're looking at, I'm starting with climate change, strangely. Like when we're looking at, it's a really practical, very male also leg dress, one piece of fabric, long, and there are like tons of tutorials how to tie them, how to make them. Super easy to make yourself. I really want to go into why they make sense. So like I've always been like dressing in a way that I wanted, in a way that to me made sense, not like looking at like, I don't know, what is fashion, how others look like. And I've, been bullied because of that in school, but doesn't matter. When I was traveling, I found that dressing like the locals do gave me an experience like the locals have. So if I walk around in Asia with jeans, and yeah, shame on me, I went there flying, but I came back with bicycle and buses. Anyhow, the sarong was, that was, I don't know, 25 years ago soon. So anyhow, since then the sarong is in my life, and the sarong is like so unbelievably good in hot climates. So we're talking a lot about like, yes, climate change, like how can we mitigate it? How can we, lessen the effects of it? But we also need to talk about how can we adopt it? Like how can we adjust to the effects of climate change? The sarong to me is a most wonderful one. We have less problems like, adopting pizza and other things from other cultures in our life. Because they might feel less strange. But the sarong is like a most wonderful piece of gear. It's super easy to make, very multi-purpose. It has so many uses, like not just as a leg dress, you can put it over a shadow, to put it on a mattress that might not feel so clean. Like you can use it in many ways. I use it as a leg dress mostly, and I have several, and it's really made from some old bed sheets, other fabrics. Very easy to wash, very easy to dry, very fast to dry, and very airy, very comfy. So when I think about like being in a hot, humid climate, and our summers are getting hotter and maybe more humid also. I hope not to have too much droughts anyhow. Wearing trousers, like to me at least, it comes with a lot of issues. So one issue is like I really get a lot more sweaty. Like between my legs, I need to wash underpants. I get maybe a rash on my legs. Like it doesn't feel nice to be so hot and sweaty and have maybe the clothes sticking to you. So look at climates where it's hot. Look at areas where it is hot. People wear not tight stuff, they wear like loose white clothing. Why? Because air circulates, and when air circulates you don't get sweaty, you don't get any skin issues, you don't have to wash your laundry so much. So it has a lot of advantages: saving water, being really nice and comfy. It's like very flexible, like not, I don't know, I don't see any minus sides about the sarong. The only minus side is attitude of others, being judged by what you wear. The more people do this, the less people will feel that this is something strange, because it will be less strange. So I encourage you, give it a try, like at home, in your garden, in your neighborhood, where people know you. Give it a try, walk around in the sarong. And it's very easy to make. Look it up, sarong, how to, and you will love it. You will love it. Okay, that was it about the sarong. Thank you for joining my channel. Have a look around. There's like many other even more important videos, but I think this one might have been a little bit practical. Have a good one.